Baby, come close to me forever. Hold on to me.
Katika selection. Katika. So wonderful. Oh my God. Sana kurora hachachi yao. Rishma katika. Urugurwa.
Macheta kuhengene kwa.
Yeah.
Abatatugonza.
Yeah.
Batpretenta kabonaga.
Yeah. Yeah. Omu hicho karabe. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Omu hicho karabe mali. All right. So mtende ngale zamana zika mzamini hunde kasha tu na desire wa zaidi. Hatu nazemira mina metro no warekara. Okay. Ismail. Katumba oye. The beautiful minds, you can also sit. So Mina, first pose for a photo. Sing with me.
Abatatugonza, macheta kuhengene kwa. Abatatugonza, batupenda kabonaka. Omuri chokorobe. Omuri chokorobe mali. Omuri chokorobe.
Thank you. The beautiful queen. So beautiful. Bendiwaya tiwa masanyirazi aka umeme. Bosa kuko. Amoto ngurusi. Onikirize ateza amajjo abanza goleke deko kusaba deko kwasta.
Nike byonyine mbere ngonza program
What's all that?
ateza amaju akwata ibeta
Desire, evento, Ismail, we are going to get that beat, show it to the cameraman. Which one services? And about 8 before, whatever ones, show it to them, show it to them. Show this side, cameraman first, thank you, on this side. Can we go for that? Tell where is Anani? That's it. So Ismail, Aviator Kwanzi, there is a beautiful man. Thank you now. Rich Makarusi goes photos, but there's an event, we did that. But Mama Massimo, let's go for the board. Malawi is on here.
Mina, look at him.
Man. Haji, that's what they call love. Thank you for coming, baby. Thank you, darling. USA. Kuyahanu bakutwara gahunda yiwe baramuzikishije yongumina waba children with Israel, you come now. Say one person. The beautiful one, you can kneel now. Thank you. First get out there, because there are two, as the Muguru said, the old man, there is one person. We want to see Ismail. And we stand around, let's stand around.